Hello class, welcome to Social Work 300. This is Social Welfare and Policy Services Part 2. So thank you for taking this online class at Norfolk State University. I will be your professor, Dr. Sandra Williamson-Ashe. So let me help you in the very beginning of how to be successful in this course. First, if you're not very familiar with Blackboard, I have attached in the course shell a link to be able to access some of the Blackboard tutorial services that might help you navigate the site. The best way to contact me is via my email. Please do not contact me for technical services. You will need Blackboard for that, okay? But you're still responsible for getting your assignments in on time, so please do not wait till the last minute in case you have any type of computer or electricity or electronic issues, okay? The other thing is, in your site, I have a tab called Classroom. That is where I will put most of your assignments and information. You may be redirected to go to other areas within the site, but you'll at least be able to see where you should be at in the classroom, okay? In the Tools tab, there are areas for which might be able to assist you aside from Blackboard assistance, things that you may need additional help with, okay? There are also learner resources that are available for you, and this site includes things such as library tabs, and you have something that you are particularly going to be familiar with, which is the discussion board. I have already set for you in the discussion board an introductory opportunity for you so that you can meet your other classmates. One thing that's going to be important in this online class is your ability to be able to write. I have to be able to read your information. When you're turning in assignments, it must be scholarly writing, okay? Nothing that entails a conversation is acceptable for an assignment, okay? You may use language that is broken if you are writing in the sundial. The sundial is an opportunity for you all to talk to one another. There are two blogs in the sundial. The sundial has chocolate cake for when things are going right, and raindrops for when things are just not as good as they could be. So please feel free to use those sites at your leisure to talk to one another. When you introduce yourself on the discussion board, please tell me a little bit about yourself, and you'll have an opportunity to respond to one another. Take that opportunity because I want you all to get to know each other. I'm going to try something a little different this semester. The class is a little larger than it usually is for this online course. There is a research symposium that is opportune for Norfolk State students in March. I am going to make an attempt to have an entry in that research symposium. So I'm not sure how we will be able to coordinate that with online learning, but we certainly are going to make a very strong attempt to do so. I know some of you are not close by at the campus, and that's okay. We were going to make a virtual opportunity to have a participating group in that virtual symposium. Oftentimes in the assignment delivery, students have a difficult time reading the times. I will be consistent with your assignment due times. It will always be the end of the night, which will be 11:59 p.m. If you try to link an assignment at 12 a.m., it will be late and it will not allow you to do so. So please be very mindful of that. I certainly do look forward to having an opportunity to engage with you all online. And remember, we are online, so you must write your information in order for us to engage. As we get a little bit more comfortable with the use of our tools, we will excel and take things a little bit further with presentations and information. If you have any questions, please do email me after you have had an opportunity to look at the announcements and the syllabus. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you this semester. Have a great semester.